Hello guys and welcome to Learn Microsoft Office and Sage Pastel Easy Skills channel by Mr. Malaji TE. In today's video, I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel, and we will utilize the tutorial question that prevails on the screen right there that says use conditional formatting in range E4 to E10 to highlight the cells that contain cells 01 with green font and cells that contain cells 02 with a blue font. So let's go ahead and do that on our example right there. So you will select from E4 to E10, then you go to conditional formatting. On conditional formatting, you select highlight cells rules, then you go to text that contains, right? Because on that column or on that cells that we have highlighted, there is only text, right? Then you go to text that contains, then you can see that we have cells 01 there. On cell 01, you will go to this block, then you look for text, green text. Then you can see that we don't have a green text there. Then you go to custom format. Then on custom format, you'll go to color and locate the color green. There is green, so you'll select on green and click on OK. So you can see that our cells that contain cells 01 are highlighted in a green font, right? Then you will again select that table and go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. Then you go back to text that contains, then you now click cells, put cells 02, then you go to that block, then you go to custom format. Therefore, you go to custom format. Therefore, on custom format, you will select a blue font for cells 02. Then you locate a blue color. Then you click on OK. Then you click on OK again. Then now you can see that cells that contains cells 01 are displayed in a green font, and cells 02 are displayed in a blue font. Then that marks the end of our today's tutorial video.